Hello and welcome. Today, we will explore Unit 9, Statistics for Analyzing Datasets. By the end of this session, you will be able to apply statistical analysis to real-world data to make informed decisions. In this presentation, we will focus on how a car hire company can use data insights to enhance sales strategies and drive business success. The assignment is structured at Level 4 with grading options of Pass, Merit, and Distinction. It involves a scenario focusing on the sales team of a car hire company. There are three main tasks: statistical principles, types of analytics, and practical Excel analysis. Achieving all pass criteria is mandatory before pursuing higher grades. Let's delve into the details of each task. The sales team currently lacks confidence in statistical report elements. Hazel has requested a presentation to bolster their understanding. Excel will be utilized for creating pivot tables and applying spreadsheet functions. The goal is to make statistical concepts more accessible. This will empower the team to interpret data effectively. Task 1 focuses on understanding statistical principles. It covers causes of variation such as random, systematic, and natural types. Methods to summarize data include mean, median, standard deviation, and count. The task also explores normal distribution characteristics and analytics roles. Correlation is explained, emphasizing that correlation does not equal causation. For a merit, explain the risks of interpolation and extrapolation. Discuss the significance of outliers in data analysis. For distinction, evaluate the choice of analytical techniques. This requires a deep understanding of statistical methods. Justifying technique selection is crucial for higher grades. Task 2 delves into different types of analytics. Descriptive analytics provides retrospective insights. Predictive analytics focuses on forecasting trends. Prescriptive analytics aims at decision optimization. Real-world business use cases illustrate these concepts effectively. Task 3 involves practical Excel analysis. Construct a pivot table using a booking dataset. Calculate the duration by subtracting the booking start date from the end date. Identify the most expensive car on a specific invoice. Utilize spreadsheet functions to enhance analysis capabilities. Excel functions like VLOOKUP and Match are essential for data management. These functions streamline the process of finding specific data points. Conditional functions such as SUMIF, COUNTIF, and AVERAGEIF offer analytical reasoning. They allow for targeted calculations based on set criteria. Mastering these functions is key to effective data analysis. Achieving higher grades requires a thorough statistical evaluation. Technique selection must be justified with clear reasoning. Interpolation and extrapolation discussions must highlight associated risks. Pivot tables should accurately filter data like Ford cars. Conditional functions should demonstrate analytical reasoning for distinction. Evidence submission is crucial for task completion. Task 1 requires presentation slides for the sales team. Task 2 involves an email explaining analytics types. Task 3 demands an Excel spreadsheet and presentation slides. Clear evaluation is essential for achieving a distinction. Prepare presentation slides focused on statistical principles for the sales team. Highlight key concepts like variation, data summarization, and distribution characteristics. Use clear visuals and examples to aid understanding. Ensure the presentation is engaging and informative. This will help the sales team grasp complex statistical ideas. Compose an email to Luca explaining different analytics types. Clearly differentiate between descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. Provide relevant business use cases for each type. Ensure the email is concise yet comprehensive. This will aid Luca's understanding of analytics in a business context. Create an Excel spreadsheet incorporating pivot tables and functions. Focus on accurately calculating booking durations and car expenses. Use lookup and conditional functions for data analysis. Ensure the spreadsheet is well organized and easy to navigate. This will facilitate effective data interpretation. Design presentation slides to accompany the Excel analysis. Highlight key findings and data insights. Use charts and graphs for visual impact. Ensure slides are clear and concise, aiding audience comprehension. This will effectively communicate the practical application of Excel in data analysis. Statistical variation is a core concept in data analysis. It encompasses random, systematic, and natural variations. Understanding these types helps in accurate data interpretation. Variation analysis aids in identifying data patterns and anomalies. Mastering this concept is crucial for effective statistical analysis. Correlation and causation are often misunderstood in data analysis. Correlation indicates a relationship between variables, but not causality. It's crucial to distinguish between the two to avoid false conclusions. Proper analysis involves identifying genuine causal relationships. This understanding enhances the accuracy of data-driven decisions. Excel's conditional functions like SUMIF and COUNTIF are powerful tools. They allow for calculations based on specific criteria. These functions streamline data analysis and enhance accuracy. Understanding their application is vital for complex data sets. Mastery of these functions is essential for advanced analysis. In conclusion, you are now better prepared to apply statistical methods with greater confidence and effectiveness, enabling more accurate analysis and informed decision-making. Feel free to send a WhatsApp message to 074-843-61688 if you need assistance. Our team is here to help. Thank you for your attention, and we'll see you next time.